guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my wash and go with Mane Choice's pink lemonade and coconut line. I've heard so much about these products, so I was so excited to try them. So I'm going to be showing you guys the look that I got with them. I did a wash and go with this quick and easy top knot, and I'm loving the look right now. I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair and then styled using this line. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm starting off with the pink lemonade and coconut super antioxidant and texture beautifier shampoo. It smells so good. It really does smell like pink lemonade. I start off by adding the product to my scalp and then working it through the rest of my hair. I massage it into my scalp and make sure that I'm getting rid of any flakes or product buildup. I like the shampoo because it's non-stripping, but it cleanses effectively. It's enhanced with antioxidants to help minimize any hair damage, and it's a perfect balance of clarification, moisture, and hydration. Then I rinse. Next, I'm moving on to the pink lemonade and coconut super antioxidant and texture beautifier conditioner. With this, I start at the bottom of my hair and then work my way upward. I want to make sure that I get it especially on my ends to moisturize any dryness. This conditioner is also anti-frizz formulated, it's lightweight, and it smells really good. So with my fingers, I detangle with the conditioner in it because it has great slip. And as you can see, once the conditioner penetrated my hair, it became extremely soft and easy to detangle. Then I rinsed it out. Another item in this line is the 5-minute reviving mask. I didn't use it in this routine, but I still wanted to share the benefits with you guys. You use it after shampooing and leave it on for 5 minutes to get instantly revived curls. It deep conditions your hair and protects it from split ends. Okay, now it's time to style. I'm sectioning off my hair to apply the product. I'm using the Mane Choice crocodile clips to section my hair, and these have great hold. They're stronger than I thought. I didn't think just one could hold up all my hair, but it did. Now I'm using my Denman brush to smooth down my hair and help apply the product through. First, I'm starting off with the curl boosting sherbet. Although it's a cream, it's not too thick or heavy. It has a nice smooth consistency. I like this cream because it smells great, it enhances my curls, tames frizz, and adds shine and definition. Since my hair is fine in texture, I'm adding a little bit of the cream to each section. Once I add the curl boosting cream, I scrunch my hair to activate the curls. Then I just continue doing this for each section. I definitely recommend applying the products on very wet hair. Applying this way helps the curls to form better with less frizz. This cream is great because it doesn't sit on top of my hair like other creams. When I apply it, it gets into my hair and I notice my curls immediately begin to take shape. And let me just talk about the ingredients because I'm really impressed with this line. It's full of natural oils, vitamins, and extracts. There's too many to name all of them, but some of them are lemon peel oil, provitamin B5, vitamin E, lavender extract, castor oil, and aloe vera leaf juice. That's how the products are able to help aid in hair growth and retention. Next up is the Beautifier Moose. This is a lightweight foam that enhances the curls and adds definition and shine. The consistency is really airy and lightweight, and a little goes a long way. So I'm using about 6 pumps of the mousse, then I flip my hair upside down to add it in and scrunch. This mousse adds some extra bounce and hold for my curls to give weightless and voluminous hair. Now I'm using this pretty microfiber towel from the Mane Choice and scrunching out the excess water from my hair. Time to diffuse. So I'm starting with the low fan speed and the warm heat setting. I diffuse until all of my hair is completely dry. Now that my curls are finally dry, I use a pick to fluff out my hair for some more volume. We all know this is a curly girl's best friend. So I'm going through my curls to separate them to help with volume. So I could just be finished here with an awesome wash and go, but I took it one step further and added a cute, simple hairstyle. So what I did was take some hair from the middle section, from the front to back, and then used my handy dandy toothbrush to brush any flyaways down and slick it back. Then I take a hair tie to tie up the ponytail and make sure that it's tight. Next, I twist my hair and wrap it around to create a bun. Then I take a bobby pin to pin down the very end of the hair from the bun. Finally, I add a few more pumps of the mousse to slick down any flyaways and make sure it looks smooth. And now I have a super cute and easy top knot to go along with my wash and go, and yes girl, it's a look. I'm loving it. I'm really happy with my soft and defined curls, so thank you so much to the Mane Choice for this awesome line of products. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The Mane Choice can be found now at select Sally stores, so make sure you go check them out. You can follow them on social media. Their handle is @TheManeChoice, and you can also check out their website at themanechoice.com for more information. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!